In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keybinds to BlueStacks. This process is vital for enhancing your gameplay experience. Keybinds allow you to tailor controls to your preferences, making it easier to execute actions in your favorite games. Let's get started. First, you need to open BlueStacks and launch the game you want to customize. Once the game is running, you will see it displayed on your screen. This is important because the controls you set will directly impact how you interact with the game. Having your game open ensures that the changes you make are immediately visible and functional. You are ready to proceed to the next step. Now, let's open the controls editor. You can do this by pressing the Control key, the Shift key, and the A key simultaneously. Alternatively, you can click the Game Controls icon, which looks like a keyboard, located on the right sidebar. From there, select Controls Editor. Opening this tool is crucial, as it allows you to edit existing keybinds or create new ones. This flexibility ensures you can adapt the controls to fit how you play. Once you are in the controls editor, you can edit an existing keybind. To do this, simply click on the control displayed on your game screen that you want to modify. After clicking, press the new keyboard key that you wish to assign to this control. This step is important because it allows you to customize controls to your liking, which can significantly improve your gameplay experience. You will see the change reflected in the controls editor. If the game does not already have a control scheme, you will need to add a new keybind. To initiate this, open the Control Scheme drop-down menu and select the option to create a new profile. This is essential for games that lack predefined controls, ensuring you can still play comfortably. After selecting this option, you can proceed to add controls. Next, you will drag a control from the controls editor onto the appropriate location on your game screen. You can choose from options such as tap spot, D-pad, swipe, or aim, pan, and shoot. Dragging these controls to the game screen is a simple yet effective way to lay out your custom controls. This allows you to set up your game exactly how you prefer, enhancing your overall experience. Once you have placed the new control on the screen, click on it, then press the keyboard key you want to assign to this control. This step is critical as it directly links your chosen key to the action you want to perform in the game. Be sure to choose keys that feel comfortable and intuitive for you. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. This action ensures that all your modifications are recorded and will be active the next time you play. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know that your custom keybinds are now set. This last step is vital as it finalizes your adjustments, allowing you to enjoy a more personalized gaming experience. BlueStacks provides several common control types to enhance your gameplay. For example, the tap spot allows you to assign a key to tap a specific point on the screen. The D-pad lets you map movement to keys such as W, A, S, and D. These options give you a variety of ways to customize your controls, making your gaming sessions more enjoyable. Additionally, the swipe control simulates swipe gestures with keyboard keys, while aim, pan, and shoot is perfect for first-person and third-person shooter games. The repeated tap feature continuously taps while a key is held down, enhancing efficiency in gameplay. Lastly, Free Look allows you to control the camera using your keyboard or mouse. With these control types at your disposal, you can create a setup that truly enhances your gaming experience, making it both fun and efficient. Now that you know how to add keybinds to BlueStacks, enjoy customizing your gameplay. You have the tools to make your experience unique and tailored to you. Happy gaming!